Hi guys, today we are going to make this beautiful Zara cap. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The materials we are going to use here is mirror face. You can use doll face, even Ankara fabric, anyone. Then the next thing is crinoline. This one is 1 inch crinoline, and then another one is the 3 inches crinoline, which is here. We use 3 inches crinoline. This one is for designing the back. Then the next thing is what we're going to use to design the front, which is this fringe. It's in form of a bead or whatever, or stone, I don't know. Then the next thing is mako. You can see me cutting it. This is what they call mako. This is what we are going to use for the base of the Zara cap. The length we are using here is length 28. You can make use of 26, 25. Then the width we are going to use is width 14 inches. Then the next thing you are going to do is to fold it 1/4 inch, just the way you see me doing it. You fold it and iron it in, then fold again 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches. Look at it. Like the folding is 3.5 inches that you are folding. So this is the 3.5 inches. After folding it 3.5 inches, then you sew it just a little bit. Sew it from the beginning to the end, the way you see it, where I'm pointing. Sew it first before you fold it. So after sewing it, then you fold it into two, right side facing each other. After folding it, then you sew from this point I'm pointing, this place I'm pointing at. Now you sew from there down to the end. After sewing it, this is what you will get. This is what you will get. This is the outcome of it after sewing it. This is how it is, how it looks like. So you will turn it outside. This is the right side now, guys. You can see me turning it. You just look at it's 3.5 inches. So that 1/2 inch now is going to give the room for the mako, and the mako we are making use of is length 22.5. That is your head circumference, exactly your head circumference, length 22.5. That is what I'm making use of. Then the width is 3 inches. Remember, we used 3.5 inch to sew on the fabric, so we used 3 inches for the mako, so it will be able to enter freely inside the fabric. And then when you look at this place, it is closed. The mouth is closed. One side is closed, then the other side is open. This side that is open is where we are going to put the mako. Then when you carry the mako, look at what I'm doing there. Fold it like the way I'm doing, so that it will be easy for you to put it inside there without too much struggling. Just try and fix it very well. It's not easy, but just try and do exactly what you see me doing, so it will be easy for you to put it. So after inserting it, make sure you fold everything equal. So at this point, I did not know that my battery went off, so I was unable to record with this green fabric, so I had to continue recording with the white fabric I was making use of, another design. Just watch closely and you'll see what I'm doing. Please, if you like what I'm doing, like and subscribe. So at this point is when I started using the white fabric. This point now you're looking at, this place I'm holding, you insert needle there and use it and sew it straight to the middle of the center front. Just watch what I'm doing. Watch closely, you will understand what I'm doing. But if you don't understand it, you can ask any question in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and even share it to people so that they will learn how to make this beautiful Zara cap. So at this point now, I am sewing it. Just look at the way I'm doing it. It is straight to the center front, straight to the center front. When you reach that center, you put the needle to the back inside and drag it so that it will fold it together. Just look closely, watch closely, you see what I'm doing. Just look at it. It has folded it together to the end. So after reaching that end point, you tie the thread there. Tie it very well so it will not lose. So after tying it, see me cutting it. When you are tying it, remember, don't forget to tie it at the back. That is the inside. Then after tying it, you need to arrange the back. This is the back side, the back. This is the back side. So arrange it very well and then use needle and sew it. So in our next video, we are going to show how to make the flower design and how to insert it, like how to design it. And if there is any other question you want to ask, you can just put it on the comment section. And if there is any other design of Zara cap that you think you want to learn, or any design at all, you can just say it in the comment section so that I will make it in our next tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because it makes me happy. Thank you so much and God bless you. Bye.
Fashion home. Let it be by our name. Jenny's fashion home. We know they play any day. Why you go choose us? Now quality and trust. Everything where you buy, you go smile. Welcome, oh, welcome, oh. Come to Jenny's fashion home. Now where quality day and better fashion they flow. We get fine tote bags, ladies two-piece wear sweet, children clothes wear beautiful, and correct shoes for your feet.